Well, it's a little later in the day. I had to take a break through the noontime hour because it is up to 94 degrees and it's almost 4 o'clock now. It's supposed to be cooling off, but boy, it's a hot one, 94 degrees Fahrenheit. But I figured I'd run outside here. It's a little too hot to dig post holes or to pound in stakes, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick some asparagus. Well, we had a thunderstorm last night and my asparagus exploded. Look at that. They're over a foot tall, a lot of them. Unbelievable. I better pick them before they become baseball bats. And usually, you've seen in my other videos about asparagus that I use this old knife, but the other thing you can pick asparagus with is this. And it is an asparagus knife. It's about 16 inches long, and you can see it has this cut in it that you can go right up to the asparagus and pick it off. Now, I've said in my videos previously that I'm more partial to this knife, and I'll show you why here in a second. Now, if you look at these asparagus sticks, you can see I could take the asparagus knife here and just right below the surface, push them right off, and it cuts really good. But as you push it through, it does have the potential for you to cut another plant. Whereas if I use this, I have a little bit of an easier time. I can work it through, and then I won't cut a plant if it's next to it. So that's one of the reasons that I like to use the knife over the purposeful asparagus knife. And if you didn't see how I cut it, I just stuck the knife right in by the asparagus and slid it down. Put it right in the V there and just push it right through. That's how that works. But I'm going to take care of this patch with my trusty everyday asparagus knife. That's a nice handful. I'll put that on the grass here. Here are a bunch right next to each other. It'd be difficult to use the asparagus knife there. But if that's what you like, go ahead and use it. Look at that. Isn't that something, huh? With just a few minutes work, I think these might have gone for 2 days. I picked the last asparagus 2 days ago, and some of these are over a foot long. They just grow like weeds, but that's enough for us and to share as well with some friends. Unbelievable.